In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your canvas to 0 degrees after using the Rotate View tool. If you've ever rotated your view while sketching or painting to get a more comfortable angle, you know how helpful it can be. But when it's time to align things perfectly or export, you'll want the canvas to snap back to an upright position. The good news is that this reset is quick, precise, and doesn't alter your artwork because the Rotate View tool adjusts only what you see on screen, not the actual pixels. First, make sure you've used the Rotate View tool, which you can toggle with Shift+H. When this tool is active, your interface will show a specific set of options for it. Now, draw your attention to the top bar of the application, often called the control panel. This is where the tool-specific controls appear. With the Rotate View tool active, you'll see an option labeled Reset View. Click that once and your canvas snaps cleanly back to 0 degrees, restoring an upright orientation instantly. Your zoom level and panning stay exactly as they were, so you won't lose your framing. If you prefer the keyboard, there's an even faster way. While you're using the Rotate View tool, simply press the AS key. That's it, just a single tap of escape and the view resets to 0 degrees. This is especially handy mid-stroke or when you want to keep your other hand on the tablet and avoid moving your cursor up to the interface. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see Reset View in the top bar, double check that the Rotate View tool is currently selected. The control panel changes depending on which tool you're using. If pressing ES key doesn't seem to work, make sure the canvas has focus and that you're not in a text field or dialog window. Also remember that resetting the view doesn't affect your actual artwork's orientation, only the way the canvas is displayed. That means it's safe to reset anytime without worrying about warping or rotating your content. To wrap up, if your canvas is rotated from using the Rotate View tool, look up to the control panel and click Reset View to snap back to 0 degrees, or while the Rotate View tool is active, tap S key for a quick keyboard reset. Keep these two options in mind.